Hello, my name is Kim Matina. This screencast will show you how to add a co-teacher to a CS First class. First, you need to sign in to CS First, and once you're at your class dashboard page, select the class that you want to co-teach with. Click on it to open it up. And in the Setup tab, you will notice here at the bottom that it's optional to add additional teachers. Right now you can see that there's only one teacher added to teach this class. Click on the Edit link to add an additional teacher. And CS First will generate an email to that teacher saying that they have been invited to teach a class. Simply type their email address here and click the Send Invitation button. And that person will receive an email inviting them to teach the CS First class. I am going in to check my email, and here is the generated email that was sent to me. I have to sign in to CS First. And up at the top, there is an invitation waiting for me to either accept or decline. And it says that I was invited to teach another class for CS First. So I am going to simply select accept and hit submit. And now when I go back in as the primary teacher into my club, I will see here that there's 2 teachers added in my setup for my club as shown right here. I hope you found this screencast helpful.